My name is Chris Verdung. I'm a trailer salesman. My job changes on a daily basis. I could be helping a consumer get a utility trailer all the way up to a company that needs a custom trailer for their needs. I was a machinist, got tired of being a machinist and liked working with people, and was given the opportunity to get into sales, and I have ran with it since. It gives me the opportunity to help people in their businesses, personal lives, and it's pretty rewarding. There's an abundance of work that is taking place here on a daily basis. Knapheide a company that provides very competitive wages and benefits, retirement, insurance. It's definitely a company that you could get in at an entry-level position and room to grow within the company, but you need to have the initiative to want to do it.